If the camera on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro Max is not working, and you are seeing a black screen freezing, or the app keeps crashing, right here I'm going to break this down and help you fix it step by step. This issue would probably be linked to an AI image processing bug in iOS 26, which is already affecting some users. What you're going to want to do first is try to clean your iPhone camera lens using a soft microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints, dust, and smudges. Gently wipe in small circles to avoid scratches and keep the lens clear. After that, please try to do a quick software refresh. Go ahead and open Settings. Scroll the screen and tap on Camera over here. Look for Lock Screen Swipe to open camera, and toggle it off. Wait a bit and toggle it back on. Okay, now restart your iPhone and check if the camera opens properly. After changing this setting, you're going to have to restart your iPhone to apply the update properly. This step is important because it helps the system refresh camera services and link up the changes you just made. Over here, I'll show you the easiest way to restart your device. Right here. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Long press the power icon. Swipe the slider to the right to shut down your device, then press the power button again to turn your phone back on. Anyways, the next thing you gotta check is the camera control button. Go ahead and open Settings again. Tap Camera. Select Camera Control. Make sure the function is set to Camera and not None. Oh, great. This would fix issues where the camera freezes when launched using the button. You can find a complete guide to fixing the camera control button on your iPhone right here above and in the description below. Now, if the camera is still stuck, you have to force restart the device. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This would clear temporary system glitches and link up the camera services again. Okay, if the issue comes after that, you may want to reset system settings. Go ahead and open Settings. Tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Make sure you know this would not delete photos or data, but it will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and system preferences. This step is adequate when software bugs make out deeper conflicts. Now, let us look for permission and maintenance issues. Go ahead and open Settings. Tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps and Features. Check that camera is turned on already. Over here, also remove any cheap thick case or magnetic screen protector. These accessories can interfere with focus sensors or the camera control button a bit. Next, you gotta check your storage. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free space. If storage is full, the camera would probably show a black screen or fail to save photos. Anyway, if nothing worked, you have to make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 26 version. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Apple is rolling out a permanent fix for this AI bug, so keeping your device updated is important. If the camera still does not work and you hear lens rattling or the screen stays black all the time, this would likely be a hardware issue. Go ahead and schedule service through Apple Support or an authorized service provider. Okay, that is how you can fix iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro Max camera not working issues like black screen freezing or crashing. If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and ask right here, and I would like to help you.